Hello?
Bill, is that you?
Who is this?
It's Mina.
Mina? Mina, it's 2 o'clock in the morning.
I'm sorry, Bill, but this is an emergency.
Well, it better be important. I gotta be up in 3 hours.
I think you'd better get up right now, Bill. All hell's broken loose here. We're going to have to shut down the Kochi plant immediately.
What?
Nothing works. A fire broke out and everything's shut down. There's nothing we can do but stop all the production straight away. Otherwise, the whole thing could just go up.
But Mina, do you realize what you're saying? If we authorize a complete plant shutdown, everything grinds to a halt. I mean, we'll have huge delays in our deliveries.
Bill, do you think I don't know that?
Tell me this isn't happening. The last time this happened, it cost us millions. Look, I have no idea how long it'll take me and Monica to get a flight out of here, but we're on our way.
I think that's best, Bill.
Look, I'll call you from the airport to set up a conference call. Contact Francoise and Mike immediately. There's not a moment to lose. Hello, Monica. Yeah, it's Bill. I'm sorry to get you up at this unearthly hour, but there's been a crisis at the Kochi plant. Yeah, it's crazy. Listen, we need to get out to the airport right away. So meet me downstairs in the lobby. I'll fill you in on the way.